welcome everyone to my next point of view video. It's dry weather at the moment, and what I just thought I'd do is not an awful lot of talking. I just thought it'd be nice to go for a bit of a spin, and you know, just show you this really cool location that there is, only sort of so many miles from my house. It's really cool. It's a place called Castleton, which if you can see here now, we're just going to be turning off and heading that way, and basically we're going to a place called Winnats Pass. And what's really cool about it, well, I mean, you'll just sort of see it when we get there, but it's like really dramatic. It looks like something out of, like, I always think like bloody Jurassic Park or something. It is amazing. It's like this deep valley with really high sort of, it looks like a, you know, kind of cliff edge in a way. Yeah, I just thought I'll you know, get the window open, hear the car, sort of, you know, see it from my perspective. I had a couple of people comment on my 900 subs video at the time when I said comment with what you want, and a few people actually said to do a point of view video. They quite enjoy watching it and sort of see you know, these point of view videos. They are quite popular on YouTube, and I thought, let's have a go at it myself. And yeah, I enjoy doing it. I enjoy driving the car, and hopefully you sort of enjoy, I know it's not blistering sun, but you enjoy the view as I go along. And I'm not sure if you can see, but I've got my heated seat on, which is awesome, because what I'll do is, so you can sort of hear a bit more of the induction, and that is I'll have the window open. But yeah, you know, it's amazing just a few miles from the house just to have these kind of nice kind of country national speed limit roads to enjoy. And actually, oh my god, can you see? I think, well, I can on here, hopefully the GoPro picks up, there's actually snowy mountains over in the distance. That is crazy. So you might actually see them as I sort of travel up a bit. But yeah, as I mentioned, I might just talk a little bit through the video, but not too much. I just kind of want to enjoy the drive and, you know, have you sort of come along for the drive with me, really. So yeah, sit back, get yourself a brew, pause the video, get yourself a brew. It won't be that long, maybe 5 minutes or so, and yeah, sit back and enjoy. What I might do is try and see at some point if I can pull over just to you know, not have cars in the view, because it's not as nice, and also it gives me a little bit of time so I can sort of do little blips. And actually I think I can just pull over here, so I'm just going to do that now. One thing I would like to say about the car is, since having the brakes and the springs done, and although dubious at the beginning, our car does handle really well. I feel like that's all I need was these lowering springs, and it makes such a difference to the car. Doesn't affect the comfort, but the handling just feels so much more like grippy and flat through the bends. It's so nice. do love the noise of the 2 litre naturally aspirated engine. I just think it's such a nice sound. I know it's not got that crazy kick of a turbo or power, but do you know what? I don't care. It's honestly, this to me is fun driving. I love listening to that noise, and the power delivery is perfectly fine for me. Wow, look at the scenery. I wasn't expecting this. Nice is this? Just take a second to enjoy that view. Wow, really, really nice. So now we're heading down to Winnats Pass, which when you look just right now, doesn't really look like there's going to be anything dramatic, does there? But just you wait a minute. It is so cool, and I'm going to show you it from a point of view, and then I might also mount the camera on the external side of the car just to get a much better, sort of more cinematic view, which I'll probably use in the intro. But yeah, it's an amazing piece of road, this. I'm just going to pull in and pretty much just spin around, but wow. Just look at that view. How impressive is that? I mean, there's some people there. It gives you an idea of the sort of size, really. It is pretty cool. I might actually just take a couple of pictures of the car while I'm up here. Oh, you would not want to be taking some supercar around this little patch. That is impressive. How cool is that? I mean, look, you get the idea of the size. Look at the cars coming down. Is it a photo opportunity? Oh my God, the door feels heavy at this angle. Wow. Oh. Might do this as a bit of an Instagram picture. That is sweet. Car's looking really low at the moment, actually. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Pretty nice place to live, innit? So let's get back in the car. Let's drive back up. Just take this minute to sort of say a little bit of an update very quickly on the car. Love this steering wheel stock, absolutely love it. Which the Alcantara used for this is what is getting redone for the Alcantara for these two pieces, and I'm getting a new gear knob, but I'm not telling you any more about that. Let's head back up Winnats Pass. Calgrid. Ugh. That is some serious view. Ooh, rocking the road. Eesh. The hills are alive with the sound of ST. Spin there. The size of that rock. Okay everyone, well I'm just exiting Winnats Pass. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Just like a bit of a feature of a little small stretch of road. I just thought I wanted to share with everyone, and it's an excuse to get out in the car and sort of do a little bit of a video with you all. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. You know, always appreciate, you know, popping a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.